This video is for avoiding plagiarism. First, what you're going to do is you're going to click the File menu at the top of the Avoiding Plagiarism document and click on Make a Copy. Then click on OK. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to share the document with your partner. So you're going to click on the Share button in the top right corner. And from that point, you're going to type in your partner's email address. So it should be first initial, last name, 23 at hanoverstudents.org. Now, obviously, everybody is going to have a different partner, so there's going to be a different first initial and last name. Anyway, you should have the 23 at hanoverstudents.org, and then you click on Send at the bottom. All right, so now the next part is going to be for you to actually do, since it's been shared with you. So it's going to be a little difficult. You're going to have to kind of go back and forth with the directions. So anyway, this is for you, the direction person, to do. What you're going to do is open up a new tab, and then you'll go to gmail.com. Okay, and then you should see an email from your partner, and it should appear right on top. And you're going to click on that email right on top, and then click on the blue link to open the document. From this point forward, your partner should continue. So you're going to go back over to YouTube. Anyway, now this is for your partner to do. You are going to open up a new tab. And from that point, what you're going to do is find the website that you used during last class. All right, and so for example, this is the website that I used during last class. So then what you're going to do is copy some information from the website. So for example, I'm just going to copy this first part of the first sentence. So you're going to click and drag, and then you're highlighting, and then two-finger click on that blue highlighted part. So two-finger click and choose copy. Then you're going to click back over to Copy of Avoiding Plagiarism, and in this first space under Copied and Pasted Sentence, you're going to two-finger click and choose Paste. Then you're going to repeat that, find another piece of information. All right, so for example, leads you to 16 historically significant sites. Click and drag to highlight, two-finger click copy, click back over, and two-finger click in the next space, and paste. Remember, two fingers together. All right, and you're going to keep doing that until you have 5 facts. Okay, so highlight, two-finger click copy, go back, two-finger click paste. Okay. And you do want to have 5 facts. So then what you're going to do is you're going to type a version in your own words. So for example, 2.5 mile red line route will say something like the Freedom Trail has a red lined route that is 2.5 miles long. Okay, and you want to kind of change the order a little bit, try to change the words a little bit, and then the last thing you're going to do, once you've typed in words all in your version, you know, changing around the word order and trying to use different words, we're going to use the thesaurus. So for example, let's say we want to look up another word for root. The thesaurus, what it'll do is it'll find words that mean the same thing. So you're just going to click and drag to highlight that word root. Notice how it's in blue. And then we're going to do that two-finger click on it. Two-finger click, and then you're going to say define root. Okay, and then you'll notice in this case it's used as a noun. Some words you'll be seeing two different definitions. So way, course, road, path are all synonyms for root. So for example, we'll say path instead of root. So now if we just hit backspace on the keyboard, make sure that root's highlighted. You might have to double click the word again to highlight it. And then you can type in the word path. And that way it's putting it into your own words. And obviously make sure there's a space between path and the next word. And that's pretty much it. And so you're going to do the same thing for all 5 of your facts.